Hello my dear crypto people. In this video I'll show you a really nice site where you can get lots of free Litecoin. So this is a FaucetPay faucet, so you need to paste your Litecoin wallet address. To do that you just go to your FaucetPay and you copy your address here. Then you just paste it here, okay? After you do that you need to scroll down. So before you get to the CAPTCHA, there's some FAQ here, like what is Litecoin, what are faucets, what is a short link. So this faucet, you need to do a short link in order to claim, okay? You get a random short link every time, okay? So most of them are easy, but if they get complicated or you don't know how to do them, you should just try again after some time, okay? So there's a referral program, but you can check out the FAQ for yourself. Here are the claims. Let's scroll down and get this free Litecoin. So the CAPTCHA is here at the bottom of the site. So we do the CAPTCHA. And now we need to do the short link. So we got the FCLC short link. I'm gonna pause my ad block and click here to continue. I'm gonna close this ad and I'm gonna do this CAPTCHA. Click here to continue. So here we need to wait 10 seconds. And we continue here. We close this ad, and on this page we click get link. Close this ad, close this ad, and now we wait for this timer. Close the ad, click get link. We won 1,202 LITOSHIS. So there are 15 claims per day. And guys, I think it's a really nice, easy faucet. And it's really good if you like Litecoin. So here's the payment on FaucetPay. It's legit. It pays. I recommend you guys to join this site and get this Litecoin if you are collecting it. The claiming amount is nice and you have 15 claims per day. That's it for this short video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Check out my other videos. I will also be leaving links for other faucets in the description below, so make sure to check them out, guys. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.